Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jeff. This is GIS Chops. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find that item ID in ArcGIS Online. When you're automating stuff, you want to overwrite things or change things, it always requires that you have the item ID. So I'm going to show you where to find those. This is my content page. I only have shapefiles and a CSV. It's as easy as coming to the item page, and right here, you've got the item ID, and they even give you a little copy button because who is going to type that out correctly? So they give you a copy button, and then you can copy it and paste it into your script. And when you look up here in the URL, they give you the ID in the URL. Now, this is just a single shapefile, so it's going to come to this page automatically. If you publish a service from ArcGIS Pro, you may have multiple layers in that service. So there's going to be a little area right here that tells you what layers are in that service, and you'll just click on those individually and it will get you that ID there on their individual pages. There you go, another little short video to help you out. I hope it was helpful. If it was, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. We'll see you next time.